We'll get started with 3 deep breaths, grounding and centering ourselves in this space, on your mat, and in your own body. In your next out breath, you can drop your right ear down to your right shoulder. Inhale to release your chin down to your chest. Exhale, take your right ear over to your right shoulder. Just moving back and forth through some neck rolls, waking up the muscles of the neck. So gently roll your ears from side to side. Your next out breath, extend your arms up high towards the ceiling, drawing your shoulders down and away from your ears. Exhale, release your arms back down by your sides. Inhale to lift and lengthen, reaching up. Exhale to release your arms back down by your sides, getting into the muscles of the shoulders. Let's take a few more rounds like this. Your next out breath, dropping your right palm down by your right side, left arm reaches up and over, waking up the muscles of the side body. And take that over to the opposite side. Reaching and stretching through the fingertips, pressing into the bottom palm, sinking into that bottom shoulder. Last round towards your opposite side. You're bringing yourself back to center. One more time, extending both arms up high towards the sky. This time we'll take a twist to your right side, turning your shoulder to look over. Turning your head to look back over your shoulder. Take that to the opposite side. Resting one hand on your knee, opposite hand back behind you. Head turns to look over your shoulder. Stretching out the muscles of the neck. Inhale to bring yourself all towards the last side one last time. Inhale to lift and lengthen back towards the sky, the ceiling. Exhale, relaxing your arms back down by your sides. On your inhale, you'll stretch your head, neck, chest forward over your thighs. Exhale to round your back, stretching out the full length of the spine. Really exaggerating that reach forward. Exhale, curling the spine into a C, dropping your chin towards your chest. Let's take a few more rounds like this, waking up the back side of your body, getting into each vertebrae. Move into our meditation now. One more time, taking 3 deep breaths, noticing if the breath is any deeper, fuller, now that you've opened up lung, chest, diaphragm. Noticing how the breath moves throughout your body. And deepen your breath once more. Your next out breath. Gently open your eyes. Just make your way into your tabletop. You can pause the video if you need to, getting into the hips and hamstrings. So start by extending your right leg back behind you, tucking the toes on your mat to start, really pressing out through that heel. Then bending into the right knee, you'll take that knee in circles, clockwise, counterclockwise, getting into your hip. Extending the leg long back behind you. Keep your right hand planted, left arm reaches forward and long. Suck your belly in towards your spine. Tap your elbow in towards your knee. Working your core and your balance here, elbow to knee for 3 rounds. Extend everything back long. For your last round, place your palm and your knee back onto the mat. We'll do that on the opposite side, so the left leg reaches back behind you. Your toes on the mat to start, stretching out the hamstring. Bend into your knee, taking your knee in circles, clockwise, counterclockwise, getting to the hip. Leg reaches long back behind you. Left hand stays planted, right arm reaches forward and long by your ear. Thumb points up, pinky points down. Then we move with this, tapping your elbow in towards your knees, strengthening those ab muscles, sucking your belly in. We're here for 3 rounds. Following the last round, reach everything long and place your palm and your knee back onto. Step your right foot forward in between the hands. Left foot will step forward to meet it. Keep a nice deep bend into both knees to release the strain on your low back. Grab for opposite elbows, walking left and right, side to side. Slowly roll yourself up to stand. Step your feet out wide apart, reaching both arms up high towards the sky. Exhale. Fold forward, wide leg forward fold, pressing the weight evenly from your heels to your toes. Walk both hands over to the right foot to deepen the stretch on the back of the right hamstring. Exhale, bring your hands back to center just for a moment, then walking both hands all the way over to the left foot, engaging the back of the left hamstring. Come back to center. Take a little mini bend into both knees to slowly roll yourself back up to stand. And step your feet back together. Make your way to the back of your mat, moving into our peak sequence MAAT. Making sure that both feet are hip distance apart, grounding into the soles of both feet. Take a little micro bend into both knees to start. Shift. Extending both arms up high towards the sky, placing your palms together. Pressing your hips forward, lean your upper back back. If it feels good, you can lean your head back as well. Nice stretch for the back side of the body. Bring your head back to center. Exhale to relax your arms down by your sides. With a slight ball in both fists, shifting the weight into your right foot, lifting the left knee in line with your hip. Extend the left leg long. Place the left foot onto the mat. Lift up on your back toes just for a moment to adjust that foot at a 45-degree angle. Inhale, both arms extend high towards the ceiling or sky. Lift and extend up, pressing the hips forward, roll the upper body and head back. Inhale, bring everything back to center. Exhale, lowering your arms shoulder width apart. Rotating at your shoulder joint, spin your palms forward, twist your torso towards your right, bending at both elbows. Inhale to look towards front elbow. Exhale, come back to center. Inhale, turn your head towards the back elbow. Come all the way back to center, twisting at the waist. Bring your hands back to center. Exhale, fold forward, reaching your fingertips to your toes, sucking your belly in towards your spine, pressing the weight into the ball of that front foot so you don't lock your knee. Bring your palms back to your chest, lifting yourself back up. One more time, extending up high towards the sky. Your arms reach. Exhale, slight back bend. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale to release your arms at shoulder length. One more time, rotating at your shoulder joints, palms face forward. Exhale, fold forward halfway. Twisting at the spine. Taking your hands into your triangle pose. Long line between both hands. Watch your balance. It's a little tricky. Slowly lifting the torso back up. Bending at the elbows one more time to bring your palms back together at heart center. Lifting and extending towards the ceiling sky. Exhale, relaxing your arms down by your sides. Slight ball into the fist, pressing to that right foot to lift your left knee up in line with your hip. Extend the left leg forward. Repeat the sequence on the opposite side, adjusting the back foot. foot in a 45-degree angle. Inhale to extend and reach both arms up high towards the sky. Leaning the upper body and head back if that feels okay to your neck. Exhale to release your arms, shoulder height, rotating at the shoulders, twisting your torso towards the left, bend at the elbows. Turn your head to look towards the left arm. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, release the head towards the right arm. Back to center, twisting at the hips, bringing your palms back together in front of your chest. Exhale, folding forward. Keep engaging those ab muscles to protect your low back. Bring your palms back to heart center. Inhale to lift and extend up high towards the sky. Exhale. Lower your arms down by your sides. Rotating at the shoulders. Twist your torso back. Fold forward first. Then you twist your torso back to the left, opening and extending both arms, pulling that top arm back, feeling the stretch happen across the chest, pectoral muscles. Arms are spread nice and wide. Keep pressing into both feet, twisting. Bringing your torso back up, palms come back together. Exhale to lower your arms down by your sides. Bend into your left knee, lifting the right foot up, stepping it to meet the left. We're going to make our way back down to our mats now. So, making your way back to the center of the mat. Inhale to extend and reach your arms up high towards the sky. Take a little bend into both knees. Exhale, placing your palms and your feet onto the mat, gently lowering both knees. I'm just going to turn on my mat to face you. So here you'll place both hands back behind your hips and just rolling your chest forward, head gently rolls back, stretching out the front side of the body, a little back bend. And make your way onto your back. First starting with the right knee hugging in towards the chest. Left foot stays on the mat, grabbing back behind the right thigh. Extend your leg towards the sky. Taking some ankle rolls, clockwise, counterclockwise. Keep pulling your thigh in towards your chest, engaging the back of the hamstring. If you'd like to deepen this stretch, extend the left leg forward onto the mat. Hold here, sending your exhales to release any tightness in your hamstring. You bend into the left knee once more. Repeat this on the left side. Left knee hugs in towards your chest. And then grab onto the back of your left thigh to extend your leg towards the sky. Right away, taking your ankle in circles, clockwise, counterclockwise. Using your exhales to pull that thigh in a bit closer to your chest. You want to deepen the stretch, extend the right leg long, pointing the right toes up towards the ceiling or sky. And exhale to gently release. The left leg hugging both knees in towards your chest. Extend both legs long onto your mat, letting your feet flop out to opposite sides, resting one palm on your belly, one palm on your chest. It feels okay for you, just gently close your eyes. We're moving into Savasana, our final resting pose. In this pose, we balance the movement of our standing active practice with stillness. Take some time to release any tension that you may be holding on to, the space between the eyebrows, your jaw. Allow your shoulders to be heavy. Feel your spine release one vertebrae at a time while melting the back side of your body into the mat. Feel your heels grounding and rooting. Remain here for as long as you like. Namaste.